Hi everyone, it's Paul Feuerstein. I am at the IDS show in Cologne with about 160,000 of my closest friends wandering around here. This is the show of this. This is just the dental show of the year. It runs every 2 years. It's the odd years. This is 2025. There were about, let's see, about 6 buildings here. Each one is the size of a general convention center. Some of them have 2 or 3 floors. About 2,000 exhibitors, and I'm going to go see every single one of them. I'm hoping to find one gem out of the whole thing, but I've already took a quick preview. There's a lot of new 3D printing, AI, milling, new scanners coming out. I mean, all sorts of crazy stuff going on here. This is like my toy store. Just looking at all these things, I can't wait to get rolling. Other than the fact that my poor legs, usually I'll do about 20,000 steps a day. So let's see what happens. I'll report it later on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be here with my good friend Matthew Petchel, and we're going to go from booth to booth. And if there's anything interesting, we'll take a little video of it and post it up later on. So here we are in Cologne, and it's a beautiful day. And see you soon.